In today's video, I'm going to show you the new ChatGPT 5 features that can seriously blow your mind, and more importantly, how to use them step by step. If you've been wondering what's new inside ChatGPT and how to get the most out of it for school, work, research, images, and productivity, this guide will walk you through everything in a simple way. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and sign into your account. Once you're inside, you'll notice the interface is built to help you start quickly. To begin using the newer tools, click on the plus icon. This is where a lot of the powerful features live, and it's the fastest way to access different options depending on what you want to do. One of the most useful features is the ability to add files. If you have a PDF, document, spreadsheet, image, or any other supported file, you can upload it directly into ChatGPT. This is great for summarizing notes, analyzing data, extracting key points, or asking questions about the contents of a file without having to read everything manually. Just click the plus button, choose your file, and then type your prompt. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize the document, explain difficult sections, or turn the information into study notes. Next is the Create Image feature. This is one of the most exciting tools because it lets you generate visuals just by describing what you want. Click the plus icon again and choose the image creation option if it's available in your version. Then type a detailed prompt like the style, subject, colors, and mood you want. The more specific you are, the better your result will be. This is perfect for thumbnails, social media graphics, concept art, or just experimenting with creative ideas. Another powerful feature is deep research. If you need ChatGPT to go beyond a quick answer and really dig into a topic, this is the tool to use. Deep research can help you explore a subject in more detail, gather structured insights, and organize information in a more useful way. Use it when you're comparing products, learning a complicated topic, planning a project, or trying to understand something from multiple angles. Instead of giving you a short response, it helps you get a much more complete answer. You can also use web search. This is helpful when you want more current information or you need ChatGPT to look up something live from the internet. With web search, you can ask about trending topics, recent news, updated product details, or anything that changes often. It's a great feature when accuracy and freshness matter. Just ask your question naturally, and ChatGPT can search the web to help provide a better answer. Now let's talk about quizzes. This is an amazing feature for students, teachers, and anyone who wants to test their knowledge. You can ask ChatGPT to create a quiz from a topic, a file, or even a lesson you've just studied. For example, you can say, create a 10-question quiz on this document, or quiz me on biology chapter 1. ChatGPT can give you multiple choice questions, true or false questions, or even short answer questions. This makes studying much more interactive and effective. And that brings us to study and learn. ChatGPT can act like a personal tutor when you use it the right way. You can ask it to explain topics step by step, simplify difficult ideas, make flashcards, summarize lessons, or test you after you study. If you're preparing for exams, learning a new skill, or trying to understand a subject faster, this feature can save you a huge amount of time. A really effective way to use it is to upload your notes, ask for a summary, then request a quiz so you can check what you've learned. So to recap, the most useful new ChatGPT 5 features include opening the main interface, clicking the plus button, adding files, creating images, using deep research, using web search, making quizzes, and learning with interactive study support. These tools can completely change the way you work, study, and create content every day. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. And if you want, I can also show you how to use each of these ChatGPT features with real examples in a follow-up video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.